Hey, what's going on? It's Kody Steele from Caledonia, Minnesota, also known as Motor Mouth or Loud Mouth, or the guy that makes all the sound effects. Today, guys, I'm going to show you a little can. I need to do my sound effects into it and hopefully sound realistic enough for you guys to give me a couple likes on Facebook or YouTube. You guys, I'm not faking these. This is what I do. It's all legit. Here's a crotch rocket for you. Here is a two-stroke dirt bike for you. Gee, I wonder what a Harley Davidson pipe would sound like. Like a Screaming Eagle, Harley Davidson. Well, there goes that crotch rocket. Don't forget me. And we got a big Detroit semi with big stack semis, you know, pulling the corn around Iowa. You see them all the time. Let's do a chainsaw. Hey, honey, you still want that little pine tree, Christmas tree thing? Yeah, bring it on in, honey. I'll cut the son of a bitch down. Doing all these sound effects, I kind of started watching Barrett Jackson. Wanted to be an auctioneer, you know. 135, 135, 140, 150 now. 150. Can I get $200? And I'm thinking, let's make it funner. Auctioneers are boring, guys. Get me on a banjo, and we'll do it like this. Alrighty, guys. We got this nice little Cabela's owned tree stand. I'm going to start it at $75. Would you give me 75, 75? Can I get 100? 100 now, 125. Give it 25, 150 now, 150 now, 175, 75, 175. And make it fun. Get these people dancing, you know what I mean? If you ain't a hunter, you could be a bass fisherman in a bass boat. Another cool one is a V8, like a truck pull. Been a man of some truck pulls. This is what a big V8 motor sounds like. Alrighty, guys. He's locked and loaded and ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I got a leader, everybody out there. Paul Jones, the Screaming Eagle. And like, you know, we can do derby cars that are big V8 motors too. And usually mud's flying, and then all of a sudden this guy with no sleeves on his shirt from Iowa comes down and just starts beating the hell out of a Minnesota boy. You know how it goes. Compact derby cars. Where'd my can again? Shut him down! We got a fire out there! Shut him down! Guys, I'm from Minnesota, so you gotta know about these snowmobiles you'll be hearing around here all the time. Let's do a skidoo, waxing the shit out of a Polaris snowmobile right now. Skidoo, guys, you know what that snowmobile sounds like. Close your eyes, picture snowmobile going up a huge hill. Here we go. I'm going out to Colorado. Cannot wait to go snowmobiling, guys. And from Minnesota, Kody Steele's the name. Give me a few likes or shares on Facebook or YouTube. See where this goes. I got tons more shit, guys. I can make some more videos. Let me know. Have a good day.